fantastic Ford Festiva Trio. And a host of fabulous prizes, all just waiting to be won on the greatest wheel around, Wheel of Fortune.
Look at these dollars. $7.50 top dollar, of course. Simon has control. A little old phrase here. Simon spins. We're watching very closely here. Simon, oh, bankrupt, I'm sorry to say. We go to 6:30, disappears.
Oh, shit, Simon. Your turn.
Okay, I spin, compadre.
No. I spin.
Wait a minute, you spin the last time on the show, you're spinning out to my face.
I've never been on this show.
Minka,
It's okay.
Minka!
Get you, Minka.
Come on!
All right, you go.
It's been a hell.
It's a spin.
Now, already been down the top dollar trail. Can we do it again? Can we do it again? Yes, we can. $750 more for...
We like to buy a veil, but we pay
No,
cash.
can't, sir. You don't have any money this round.
But there's no veil. We haven't got the money to pay for it. This thing cazzo.
Money there's... Oh, you stopped it already. I'm not even waiting for my spiel. Thank you, next.
And this selection of his and hers fragrances capture the spirit of Italy, including fresh natural Pinot for you and floral tones of arrogance for your wife from Perfumes of Italy. Contestants also receive the popular Wheel of Fortune game from Krona.
Yes.